Doing some checking. Look what we find on $2 bet. I stuck a $2 in there. There it is. I love how people just leave it. And I shall take it. Oh, and I didn't even see those. Oh my goodness, I dropped damn Anvils with it. I didn't even see the Anvils. That is nuts. I just seen those. That is crazy. Unbelievable. I didn't even see the Anvils. Wow. Come on, good bonus with it. That is crazy. I never even seen those Anvils. That's nuts. I'm going to have to watch the replay. Come on, fill them all up, Buttercup. Damn lights up there, they kind of screw everything up. Oh, that's crazy. I never even seen the Anvils. This is nuts. Someone left it just set there. I just seen it as a free ball bonus. Wow. That is awesome. That's an awesome find. Unbelievable. Wow. Look at that. With the Anvils.
Yeah, on the first screen. Oh no, you can't do it with it. I think you can do it.
Yeah, that is crazy. Gotta love it. All right, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day, man. I just got blessed with a free bonus and Anvils. Unreal. Unreal.